Now we're going to take a look at what are known as logical or compound operators. They're compound operators because they join two different things together, two different expressions. Basically what you've got is select, and anything obviously, from, and then a where clause that says where expression, comparison expression, such as something like this. It's actually a condition. So a condition results when you take an expression. So let's just do this quickly. Let's just type this in. Condition is equal to expression, comparison, expression, mathematically, generically, if you like. What it means is you say that if something is equal to something, then you have a condition. What is that condition? Basically, the condition exists or it doesn't. The result of that condition is actually equal to true or false. It follows that you can combine conditions. So you can say condition, is it true or false? Or condition and, logically, condition and condition. What this means is that, let's go to the next line, meaning if either are true, then the result is true. And similarly, in the case of this, you say if both are true, then you get a true result. When you have both conditions being true, in other words, A is true and B is true, then you have a true result. The first one, if A is true or B is true, then you have a true result. So either can be true and either can be false. But you've got to have at least one true result. It also follows, let me just spell this properly because I'm probably going to leave these notes in here. As you can see from the syntax above, you have condition, and optionally you get to add a compound operator with another condition, and it basically says condition and or condition. You can also have not in there, so you can also say not condition or not condition, or actually you can say not condition or condition or condition or not condition. And given that this stuff is all expression based, you can also do this, condition or condition, which actually this is actually the equivalent of not condition and not condition. Similarly, not, and this is just mathematical logic, not condition and condition can be expanded to be not condition or condition. And we need to put something else up here as well. I also described this. I got not that, not that, hang on. So we got the or, now we can put the and equivalent in there and say not condition and not condition, which happens to be equal to not, open brackets, condition or condition, close brackets. And we need to spell this properly. And we've got here not condition, and I'm just putting in all the different options. It's really probably too much information, but you get the point. And what I should actually do, because this is actually a script file, as I've done previously, is to comment all these lines out. I haven't commented out the syntax diagrams, which is probably not a good idea, but I can go back and do that later if I think it's necessary. These comments are just to tell you that you don't have to execute these commands. They're not executable. So now we've gone through all the various conditions and the different options. Now I just go and look at some examples. I have quite a few of them. So what we'll do is we'll actually continue with these examples in the next movie, following on from this one.